Hello everyone, welcome to the next month. I hope you are well. Today I will show you my income from stock photography for the month of August 2023. This is a graphic of profits from recent weeks with Adobe Stock. It is a good example to watch this video until the end. If you spend your time to upload AI illustration to Adobe, your profits will significantly increase, but you have to be patient. Okay, let's go with first agency. Depositphotos. I only sold one photo in this month for 30 cents. This is a photo of a suspension bridge in Rochemort in southern France. The second one is 123RF. I sold 3 photos in total, all for about 22 cents. One of them is a wind farm in the mountains during sunrise. That's given me 65 cents. Big stock. Only sometimes I sell something here, but this time 3 photos were downloaded, each of them with 25 cents. This is a close-up of a wind farm from my Mini 3 Pro during sunrise and beautiful autumn morning fog. Top view of the dried earth at the bottom of the lake and Central African Republic flag. Total 75 cents profit. Let's move to Dreamstime. I have 3 downloads this month. The first one is a close-up of the front of an old French car for $1.08. This is the first time in my Dreamstime adventure when one photo downloaded for more than $1. The next one is a photo of a nuclear power plant in southern France, sold 2 times for 70 cents. Profit $1.78. The next agency is Motion RI. This is the second month since I have been working with this agency. I already have 217 assets. 48 videos were downloaded as in the previous month, which gave me $5 in income. In August, the most downloaded video was a wind farm situated on the Rhone River in Le Poussin, with the sun rising and thick fog in the background, which was downloaded 12 times. Next one, GettyImages iStock. In my portfolio, I have 1,496 images and 547 videos. 22 assets were downloaded, including 19 photos and 3 videos. The most profitable photo was a photo of photovoltaic panels placed on the roof of a greenhouse, which was downloaded 5 times for $4.08. One of the videos for $6.34 is a drone shot over the Rhone River during sunrise. And a second one from the same location but at different time, flying over the hydroelectric power plant and the same river for 73 cents. The profit from Getty Images was $16.70. Let's move on to the 2 most profitable agencies. The first one is Shutterstock. In my portfolio, I have 1,334 photos and 494 videos. In August, 70 assets were downloaded, including 12 photos and 5 videos. The most profitable photos are a panoramic view of the town of Le Poussin for $1.20. Lake Solina in southern Poland for 52 cents. And photovoltaic panels for 45 cents. One video of the Lestra mountain massif flowing into the Mediterranean Sea in southern France, $19.59. Drone flight over Lake Grandjean and the water dam, $12. Alpe d'Huez ski resort in the French Alps, $6.43. And last one, panoramic view at night time of illuminated Basilica Notre-Dame de Fourvière in Lyon. Total in this month is $43.46. And the last one, Adobe Stock. In my portfolio I have 1,524 photos, 588 videos and 385 illustrations. I had 19 downloads this month. Image size were 13, 2 videos and 4 illustrations. The images earned me $6.57, videos $18.55, and illustrations $31.64. Due to very long waiting for AI illustrations to be approved by Adobe Stock curators, I had to wait exactly 2 months, and literally on the same day after accepting them and adding them to my portfolio, I saw $27 more in my account. I thought another video has sold. To my surprise, I sold my first illustration. It gave me a great boost, and since then I have been regularly downloading several illustrations every day. So don't waste your time and try your chance at the adventure with AI. It was this illustration that gave me $26.40 profit, and a few more, most of which sell for less than $1. Video for $14.35 with a view of the river pollution treatment system on the Rhone River in France. And aerial flight over Viaduc d'Antéor and the Massif de l'Estrelle on the coast of Mediterranean Sea for $4.20. Total in Adobe Stock, $56.76. So, as always, my total of month of August 2023 was $120.40. Downloaded 116 assets. If I compare it to the last year, August 2022, it was $2.63. Thanks for watching, take care and see you next month. Bye.